You wiped this counter 2 hours ago. Now there's a mug, a bag, a peeler, a receipt. Your kitchen isn't dirty, it's just never finished. So you clean it again at 10 at night. It's not that you need more storage, it's that nothing in this room has an address. 11 habits from Japanese home kitchens. All small, each placed exactly where the mess actually starts. One takes 15 seconds and has nothing to do with dirt, and one word explains all of it. These are documented habits, not every Japanese home. Small kitchens force discipline. Here's what it looks like. A kitchen isn't clean when you scrub it. It's clean when it's back to zero. Dishes washed, counters wiped, nothing left pending. The yearly version is ōsōji, the December deep clean. But once a year won't save your Tuesday. So why doesn't stuff actually get put away? Because every object on that counter asks a question. Where do I live? And you answer every time. Teiichi means fixed position. One address per object. The peeler lives in one spot, always that spot. Now putting it back costs you no thinking. Same idea inside drawers. Pateru shuno. Store things standing up, not stacked in piles. File your pot lids. File your cutting boards. Take one without dismantling a tower. Then bare counters. Kettle, toaster, rice cooker, away. A clear surface is most of why a room reads calm. Now, the 15-second habit I promised. After the last dish, wipe the sink dry. Basin, taps, cloth. Nothing to do with dirt. It tells the room the day is done. Honestly though, that only clears mess afterward. The bigger lever is making less of it. Start with what you own. Fewer, better tools. One good santoku instead of a block of 6. A donabe that goes from stove straight to table. Gadgets get bought with enthusiasm, then stored forever. Then, mottainai. What a shame to waste this. Kombu from your dashi gets simmered into tsukudani. Carrot tops and daikon leaves go into kimpira. Rice rinsing water waters the plants. Less in the bin, less smell, fewer trips out. Then shun. Buy whatever's at its peak. Bamboo shoots in spring. Mikan in winter. Cheaper, and it needs less doing to it. The objection. This sounds like more cooking. Ichiju sansai. Rice, 1 soup, 3 small dishes. Less work, the small ones are already made. Tsukurioki, 1 Sunday hour. Weeknight cooking becomes assembly. 2 words close each meal. Itadakimasu, gochisousama. Naming the ending is what keeps Rule 1 alive. And that word I promised? Kirei. Clean and beautiful. In Japanese, the same word. Your kitchen was never asking to be sterile. It was asking to feel finished. Tonight, dry your sink. That's the whole assignment. Which counter item could you never hide? Comment below and subscribe.